First of all, what is preventive maintenance? Preventive maintenance can be the key to keeping computer systems from experiencing serious problems, such as data loss and hardware failures. And it also helps systems have a longer lifespan. In this section, you study the need for preventive maintenance of a computer system. Following a good preventive maintenance plan can keep a computer problems from being too troublesome. Why does preventive maintenance important for computers? Performing preventive maintenance on your computer, both internal and external, means that you are proactively making sure that it is an optimum condition for you to use whenever you need it. This is important because most users depend on their computers working at their best to help them complete vital projects. Tasks such as installing your Windows updates, making certain that your computer is free of viruses and malware, and backing up files are just a few ways to conduct your own preventive maintenance. It is also important to conduct preventive maintenance on the external parts of the computer. Here's why both internal and external preventive maintenance is key to your computer's performance.
Computer keyboard is an input device that allows a person to enter letters, numbers, and other symbols. Together, these are called characters into a computer.
To clean the computer keyboard, you need to Step 1. Flip your keyboard upside down and tap lightly. Keyboards can easily collect dust, crumbs, and other debris, especially on desktop units where large gaps exist between the keys. Step 2. Use compressed air to remove crumbs. If you don't have a compressed air, you can use a brush to remove crumbs, dust, and other debris. Step 3. The last step. Wipe down the keys using lint-free cloth to make sure your keyboard is clean.
A mouse is a little device that a computer user drags over a disk surface to point to a location on a display screen and pick one or more action to do from that location.
To clean the mouse, you need to Step 1. Unplug your mouse. Step 2. Wipe down the mouse with alcohol wipes to remove any grease or dirt. If you don't have alcohol wipes, soak a lint-free cloth in a solution of mild dish detergent and warm water before putting the cloth near your mouse. Wring it as much as possible. Make sure everything is dry before plugging it back in. Repeat every few weeks or as necessary.
A monitor is a piece of computer hardware that shows video and graphics data generated by link computer via the video card.
To clean the monitor, you need to Step 1. Turn off and unplug the monitor or laptop. It's easier to see the dust and dirt when the monitor is off and safer for you and your computer. Step 2. Gently wipe away dust and debris with a dry microfiber cloth. This type of anti-static cloth is soft enough that it won't scratch the surface. If you have an eyeglass cleaning cloth, those are made of microfiber and perfect for your screen cleaning. Step 3. Dampen the microfiber cloth with preferably distilled water. Use just enough distilled water to dampen the cloth without wetting it. Regular tap water can leave mineral deposits on the screen, although filtered or deionized water can be used in place of distilled water in a pinch. Step 4. Gently wipe the screen with a damp